In this video, I'll guide you through how to view and restore deleted events in Google Calendar. If you've ever accidentally removed a meeting, an appointment, or an important reminder, don't worry. Google Calendar has a built-in bin, similar to a recycle bin or trash folder, where deleted events are stored for a limited time. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you know exactly where to find that bin and how to bring your events back. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar where the event was originally created. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner of the page and switch accounts if necessary so you don't end up looking in the wrong calendar. Once your Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu. It may be easy to miss if you're not used to looking for it, but it's right beside your profile picture and the question mark help icon. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options related to your calendar settings and configuration. Among these options, look for the one labeled Bin. On some layouts, it might be near the top or the middle of the list, but it will simply say Bin. Go ahead and click on Bin. This is where Google Calendar keeps a record of your recently deleted events. After you click Bin, the main view of your calendar will change. Instead of showing your regular schedule, you'll now see a list of deleted events. Each entry usually includes details like the event title, the date and time it was scheduled for, and when it was deleted. This list can be very helpful if you're not entirely sure which event you removed or if you deleted multiple items around the same time. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the event you want to bring back. If you're having trouble, you can look carefully at the dates, times, and titles to identify the right one. Remember that the bin only keeps deleted events for a certain period of time, so very old deletions may no longer be available. Next, look at the right side of each event's row for the actions you can take. There should be an action labeled Restore. This is the option that returns the event to your calendar. When you find the event you want to recover, click on Restore in the Actions column for that specific entry. As soon as you click Restore, Google Calendar will move that event out of the bin and place it back into its original calendar on the original date and time. To confirm that it worked, you can navigate back to your main calendar view and jump to the date of the event. You should now see it right where it was before you deleted it. That's all you need to do. By going to calendar.google.com, opening the gear icon, selecting bin, and using the restore action, you can quickly recover deleted events and avoid losing important appointments.